Hello, this is Mike from Cornerable Software. This is part 2 of my Azure File Shares tutorial series. In part 1 of the series, How to Monitor Azure File Shares, I showed you how to add an Azure File Share to Cornerable and monitor directory sizes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive Windows event logs as well as any log or database backup directly to your Azure File Share. Assuming you've watched part 1 and have attached your Azure File Share to Cornerable, open one of the sample event log backup templates. The sample templates can be found in Templates, Sample Templates, Log Backup. Right-click, select Template Properties. Select the Options tab. Notice under the Backup option there is now a Host dropdown. The drop-down enables you to select your Azure File Share. Once selected, set the target location by selecting the Browse button. From the Select Folder dialog, select the target subdirectory. If you would like to create a new subdirectory, you can either click on the New Folder button or right-click within the white space, then select New Folder. Once selected, any previous variable replacement tags are appended and the path separator flipped to a Unix /. That's it. Assign your device, then save your changes and execute verbose. Once complete, we can use our mounted Azure File Share in Windows Explorer to view the output. Okay, well that was pretty easy. Now let's do the same for a text log file. Since I have a Linux agent connected to my management server, I'm going to modify my Linux audit log backup template to save the logs directly to my Azure File Share. The sample template I'm going to use is found under Templates, Sample Templates, Red Hat, Agent, and it's called Red Hat Audit Log File Backup varlog audit.log agent. Once open, select the Options tab. Notice, like our event log backup template, you can now choose the target Azure File Share under the host dropdown. Please note, if you have not configured an Azure File Share, the host selection controls do not display in either template properties views. Again, once selected, set the target location by selecting the Browse button. Once assigned to my Linux server and executed, I can see the files in my Azure File Share. That's part 2 of Azure File Shares with Cornerable Server Manager.